Hello everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me. So I'm just going to show you how to make this quick and easy journal insert. It's nice and slim, so it will fit inside a journal pocket or a tuck or whatever you want, or it could be a standalone project. It is made out of one sheet of 12 by 12, so everything except for the background 12 by 12 paper is a free printable available over in my Facebook group. The link's in the description box below, and it's based on the Secret Garden. So if you would like the printables, I think there was 3 sheets, it was my Friday Freebie. Hop along, join the group and you can get it. So let me quickly show you the little booklet, and then I'll show you how it's made. So on the front here we've got this windowed envelope, which is part of the kit. So I've cut it out, I've cut the window out, put acetate on it, and then I've added it to the front of the booklet, top and bottom, so you can slide things behind the back, and then obviously it is a pocket as well. Okay, so tied really simply with some sari silk, which has been just slipped around the back and wrapped around the booklet. So let's unfasten it and have a look what we've got. It's super simple and easy, and a great way of using up your 12 by 12. So inside here we've got just blank for journaling. There's a pocket at the side here. If I can just get this card out, with a plain journaling card. I wanted to give lots of room for writing. If you've got a very decorative journal, it's a good idea to put inserts in with lots of writing space. So we've just got a basic pocket here, made from the papers, and the butterflies are on the printable, and then I've made a little tag. Okay, and then the next page here we've got a side pocket with a little piece of ephemera that I've made from the kit. Okay, that slides back in there, and then here we've just got a basic pocket with a little journaling card. So this is where you've got your extra writing space, because both of these open, and you've got 4 fantastic writing areas. So it's really awesome added writing space for your journals. And that's the back. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can make the base, and then you can either grab the printable and decorate it, or decorate it however you please. So bear with me, I'll get my supplies and let's make it together. So this is how we make it. I've just grabbed a sheet of 12 by 12, just any old will do from your stash. Obviously you might pick colours that go with what you're making. If it's directional, just bear that in mind. If it's a directional, if it goes that way up, then start with the direction going the other way, because we're going to score straight down the middle at 6. Okay, and then turn it to the other side. If this is the way your paper goes, this would be where you do these scores, and you just score at 4 and 8. Okay, and that's all you need. So then what you do is you turn it back where you've scored at 6 inches, and if you look, you've got 3 panels, 1, 2, 3, with score lines going down, and then the 6 inch. So you want to cut along the 6 inch to the second score mark. Okay, so I'm just going to grab some long scissors, and I'm just going to do myself a little dot there, so I can see where I'm cutting to, where the final score mark meets, and just cut along that middle score line. Do it in your trimmer if you think it's easier. Okay. Super simple. Then you want to fold it in half. Okay, again on the long side. Turn it upwards. Okay. And then you want to lift these 2 panels that have been cut away. Fold it that way. Fold it in. And fold that one in. Okay, now to make it sit nicer, these 2 flaps here you want to just put back in your trimmer and trim off a sliver, about 1/8 of an inch, just so that it closes nicer. Okay, 1/8 of an inch is about there. So that's that one, and that's that one. Okay, so that you can grab your booklet back up. Okay, so those are your journaling spots. Fold that in. Okay, make sure it's all lined up nicely. And then the front cover here, you just want to fold and burnish all of these score lines. If your folding's not perfect, it doesn't really matter, because you can just ink it or distress the edges. So what you want to do is this front bit here, you just want to glue on the top and on the down the spine bit. Okay, just a small amount of glue, you don't need a lot. Really small amount of glue, because if you use a lot of glue, then you're going to reduce how much space you've got when it's a pocket. Okay, so then just fold that up, meet them edges up. Okay, give it a press, then grab yourself a little punch if you've got one. Where's mine? This will do, 1 1/4. Should be able to get that in, and just hold that because it might not be dry. Slide your punch in and do yourself a little thumb notch. I mean, you can do it before you glue it down, that might be an idea actually. Instead of making life hard for yourself. Centralise it, although I don't tend to worry if it's not exactly in the middle. And then make sure that's carried, you know, glued. So this is your front, okay. Like I say, if it's not cut perfect, either trim it off or just ink it. You won't see it anymore. So that's your front with a pocket, and then here's a page for you to put. I put a pocket on mine. Then you open it, you can decorate these 2 pages. That opens for your journaling, folds back, and that's your back cover. Absolutely easy as pie. So there you go, and it has a very slim profile because we've just used 12 by 12, so it'll slot beautifully inside your journals. I hope you find that useful. Don't forget you can come and grab the printables for free over on my Facebook group. The link's in the description box below. Have fun creating. See you soon. Bye.